How to not get banned from Facebook dropshipping. Now, if you do Facebook dropshipping and you don't want to get banned in there, first thing that you need to do is to open any of your browser and search for Facebook dropshipping rules or Facebook dropshipping policies. Then there will be a lot of links directly from Facebook, and you just simply need to read through those articles in order to know completely about the rules of dropshipping in Facebook. And once you know what you should and should not do in Meta dropshipping or Facebook dropshipping, and follow through those rules, your account will be saved on Facebook dropshipping and you can continue with your business. Otherwise, if you do not follow and comply with the rules, your account will probably get banned and you might not be able to do your dropshipping business. So you should always know of the rule and follow it in order to be safe. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.